दीन पे कुर्बान हो गए करबला वाले, दीन पे कुर्बान हो गए करबला वाले।
A fast equivalent to the fast of 1 month. The embodiment of Nur, the comforter of the souls. The Holy Prophet ﷺ has stated, the fast of every day of Muharram is equivalent to the fast of 1 month. You can be benefited by reading this Madani Pearl on page 310 in Madani Treasures of Blessing, the renowned book of Shaykh Tariqat Amir Ahl Sunnah, printed by Maktabatul Madina, the publishing department of Dawat Islami. You can also download this book in English and various languages from the website of Dawat Islami, www.dawatislami.net. Place your order today at any branch of Maktabatul Madina. Furthermore, distribute the booklet published by Maktabatul Madina on weddings, mourning occasions, ijtama'at, Uds rites, Milad Sharif, etc. and gain a lot of sawab.
करबला के जानिसारों को सलाम, फातिमा ज़हरा के प्यारों को सलाम।